Here we come to the elevator at Central Market, Highland Village in Houston, Texas. This is an updated take. I originally thought this is a US elevator, but apparently I don't think it is too. There's just music playing outside, so I'm gonna have to talk over as much as I can. Only ring that bell. I got the cowbell chime. It's going one. How obnoxious these doors are. Oh, listen to this chime. Listen to this chime. It's a cowbell. I mean, the door sounds extremely rough. Let me hear this chime again. All right, let's close the door quick. All right, this elevator kind of reminds me of the one at the Northgate College main garage in College Station and at 12 North as well. But anyways, there it goes, and that's it.